Hi everyone, welcome back again, and this is the third video of this tutorial series. And today's video I'm gonna talking about how we can send initiate checkout and a purchase event data from the web container to server container. Okay, and in the last video of this tutorial series I talked about how we can send the page view and the view content and add to cart data from the web container to server container, and already I test them that is working and I showing you. Okay, and so let's get started. And if I go to my document, on of my document, and there you can see the begin checkout event parameter that we need for the Facebook advanced tracking for the conversion API. Then we can see here everything is same like view content and add to cart event. Just we need a additional event parameter, that is the number of items. Okay, and so we can copy our on off tag, that is add to cart. Then we can change little bit, then our begin checkout tag event will be ready. Okay, then let's copy the tag and then have to change the trigger because this is the add to cart trigger, and we need the initiate checkout trigger. Okay, then we have to change the event name from here. Okay, we need to change this event name. Then have to just copy this tag and then from here just remove it, then just paste it here. Okay, and everything will be same like add to cart event, just we need a additional parameter, that is the number of items. We have to copy this, and already we have a variable for this number of items in our Google Tag Manager, and I showing you how we can create it. Okay, then here copy the number of items, number of item data layer variable. Okay, then everything is same here, begin checkout event, and it is the begin checkout event, and tag will be the initiate checkout. Okay, then let's change the tag name. Okay, then just remove the copy of. Okay, now that's mean our begin checkout or initiate checkout event is ready, and it will be sent to the server container. Then we need a one more event to send from the web container to server container, that is purchase event. And also we can see this is the everything is same here as like view content and add to cart and like begin checkout. And already in the begin checkout we send the content number of items from web container to server container. Okay, just we need this user data, just we need to send the user data for the purchase event, because when someone fill up the form in checkout page, then where user data will be available. Then from the thank you page we can send the user data from the by using data layer from our web container to server container. Okay, that's why we need this parameter. And also we need we need to send this user parameter with this pattern. If we made any mistake here, it will not be working. Okay, so let's copy the begin checkout initiate checkout tag. Then just change the trigger, and it will be the purchase trigger, and have to change here the event name. And here just I have to change the begin checkout event name, and also we have to write here the purchase. Okay, then we need some additional parameter, maybe we need the 7 parameter. Okay, then let's copy the parameter name from here. First of all I need the email address, and must be write the event parameter name exactly like this, otherwise it will not be working. Okay, this is the email address, and from here we need usually in my case, in my checkout page there has no phone number, that's why I'm going to skip it. When your website checkout page has any phone number field, then you can use it. Okay, it is the first name. If we send any of extra value for the user information, then our event match quality will be increased. That is very very good news for us. That's why if possible to send the phone number event. Okay, phone number parameter, actually it's not event, it's parameter. Okay, then let's copy the city variable. It's user data dot address dot city. Okay, maybe then it will be state, sorry, it will be region and state is same thing. Okay, from here maybe then next on will be the country or zip code. Yes, we can name it the country. Okay, then we need the zip code, and we have a data layer variable for all of the user parameter that we created for our Facebook browser site purchase event. Okay, then let's call the variable data layer variable. It's the zip code at in its mean a postal code, and then let's change them, and we have to call the email address as well. And from here this is the, let's find the email address. Sorry, this one the email address, and from here we have to find the first name that I created for the first name, and it's will be work from the data layer. And this is the first name and last name, and we have to call the city data layer variable, and then let's call the region or state, and I save it with state, and then call the country data layer variable, and this is the country. Okay, and then everything is okay. Then just let change the tag name, because it's the purchase tag, it is the purchase event data. Okay, so we have to name like this J4 event purchase ss means server side. Okay, it will go to the server container, that's why I like this purchase J4 event purchase ss. Okay, then let's save the event, and that's mean it will go to our Google Tag Manager server container. Okay, now we can test them. Let's submit it, then I will go to the preview mode. Okay, okay, just I submit this web container. When we create any tag, or if we change any tag or trigger a variable, we must have to submit this web container or server container. If we change anything in server, then we have to submit the server container. Okay, otherwise sometimes it will not be working. Okay, then let's go to the preview mode from the server container. Okay, then I'm interested to going to web container, I'm interested to go preview mode from the web container. This is my web container, and from here I have to connect the website with the web container. Okay, then it's connected, and if I go to the tag manager debug view, I will see the data within a moment, I believe. Okay, just look at here, the page view event data is here, and if I go to the website again, then if I go to a product page, then I will see the event data here. Just wait a minute, I believe I will see it. Just look at here, view item event data is here. And the last video I already talked about this. And then let's click over that to cart, and I believe I will see that to cart event data. Just look at here, and this is that to cart event data. Okay, then let's go to the checkout page. Okay, then just I can see here, this is the checkout page, and there is a two product. And if I go to the Google Tag Manager debug view, I can see there is a begin checkout event. And if I go to the event data, then just look at here, every variable that we need, that is here, value, currency, and everything is here. Okay, then if I make a purchase, then let's make a purchase. Okay, I am in the checkout page. Then if I go to the tag assistant debug view, then just look at here in the for the begin checkout event, there everything is every parameter and every variable is working here. External ID and the contents, FBP, FBC, and everything, number of items, it's 2, because in the checkout process I add 2 product in the cart, and then I'm just visit the checkout page. That's why number of items is 2. Okay, then in the checkout page I fill up everything that we need to make a purchase. And let's click over the pay now, and I will redirect to a thank you page. Okay, then I have to wait for the purchase event fired in the tag manager server container. I am waiting for the purchase event. It will come, we have to wait some time. Okay, just look at here, this is the purchase event here. And if I go to the event data, there you can see every data is available that I sent from the web container. Just look at here in the user data option and the user data array. Just look at here, every user data is here, email address and the first name, phone number, last name. Sorry, phone number is not here because in my checkout process there is no phone number option. That's mean everything is here and all of the data is here. Purchase and the purchase event and the all of the begin checkout event and everything is here. Okay, that's mean we have every event data in the Google Tag Manager server container. And in the next video, and this is gonna be last video, and the last video I will cover how we can send this data to Facebook using conversion API. Okay, that should be the last video. Okay, thank you so much for watching.